In the first part of this tutorial, I work with the package Adhan, and you see I worked that I print this coordinate, this degree and the further time, and it is okay. And in this tutorial, we will see how to uh, ch- build use the package in our app. Here you can see we have built an UI for this app, and according to this drawing I have built the app. And here I pass in main.dart I return Adhan time and apps, and in these apps there is a material app wizard, which is the root of all wizard page. And here in home I return Adhan time, and in Adhan time here you can see I have built the Adhan time this app. And here you can see first there is the text, and first there is scaffold, and scaffold have a background color of this 0x ff. This background color is according to the drawing. And then I return a column in my body, and under body there is children. The all the children you can see here are under this children list here. Okay. And then there is a text. This is a text result with text date and I style, and there it is a row. This is a row, and in this row there is three item: icon left, arrow left, icons dot arrow left under icon wizard, and its color is white. And then there is a text Asar, and with style and color with white and font size 40, and the icon and icon right with size 60 and color white. And there is a text remains with font size of 20 and the color according to my drawing, and time zone name and length, latitude and longitude. And under that I I I there is this is lat and long is under row, and this row had children, and these children carry the latitude and longitude. And there is a size box of which is distance of this. And I have built a walk the button. This walk the button is this button walk the button. It takes height and width of the my project from layout builder. Total height and width takes the height and width, and I build the walk the button, and this takes height and width of this page, and then it takes the size. And I have built this, and time and name walk to name, and alarm is on, alarm on or not. Is if alarm is on by or sound is on, then it will show this icon. If off, then false. Alarm is on is false, then it will show this icon for this. And here I can add more button. You can see here I can add more, and you can see the change. And we have how many button we have? Let us see. We have 1 2 3 4 5, so far 5 button. So I am giving the 5 button here. And here is duhar fajr duhar asr is asr, and asr time is 2 p.m. for this asr time, and alarm is true. and you can check the change. And here, this is not right, left side on and it. Okay, then what I need is that Asur and sort of the Asur Maghrib and Isha. I will add that button now. So here is the design, and it is so. I will do another thing. I will column, and inside this column there is children. This children takes the this list of wizard is Vaktos. And let us skip the UI and go to the development. So let us move to the development now. So that is all, everything of my design. Okay, this button will work, and this will also work after the finish of the app. And this is UI, which is very simple, so I didn't show you that. And what I need to do is now I need to import the use this package named Adhan Dart in here. To use the package here, what I need to do, I need this stateless wizard into stateful, convert it to stateful, and then after converting it stateful, I can take variable here, because to for working with variable we need a stateful wizard. And then what I need is I need the pair term here, according pair term like this here. This is pair time, and this is pair time. Okay, copy, and this is pair time late, pair time, and it under init state it is asking for the package, and in init state we will give the pair time. Pair time is equal to pair time with coordinate and date params and precise. And then what I need is I need this coordinate and calculation method and other things. Here is the coordinate calculation, and now we have the uh, pair time. This is the pair time we should use. Okay, and what I need is, yes, I need date time, this date, and to initiate get from global. So I will pass the data initial, declare the date time from here. Okay, and coordinate, uh, it means also need from or I need it global 2, and calculation method. Okay, I think I should make the it global 2, and then where is the date? Instead of this date text I can pass here date dot, date is a date time object, and the day, or yes, day, or it is not a string, it is integer, and to make it a string I can dot to string. So you can see the day of the date. I don't need the only day. I need the day, month, everything. This day I need day, I need month, day first, I need month, I need year. Day dot month, month and day dot year. And then I can see what I get of. This is not good at all. So I need something like I need something like a map or list of months is equal to list. I have string, list of string, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, or I need not English that time, I need Arabic that time, or that is August, September, November, and December. And here this is the month, and take the month, and I will use the month here because this is a list of month. I can use the month as the index, total month minus 1, and you will see that you can see here November, and I can move this now, and it is looking more smart or good. Okay, then what I need is Asur. Asur. Why? From where I can get Asur? I can get Asur from this period time. Here, Asur, instead of Asur, I can say period time dot current time, or current time. Just current period time. This current period time takes date, and here is the date, and here, yes, current period time is sunrise. There it is not walked for anything. And then what it remains time of uh, remains times for next period time. We'll build that later. A time zone of our, so the time zone is from date, comes from date dot time zone name. And here you can see time zone is +6, and let long, from where let long come from coordinate. Coordinates dot latitude and coordinate dot longitude here. Save and check. And then I need this Fajr time, Johor time, Asr time, Maghrib and Aisha. And these are also easy because we have prayer time, and from this prayer time I can get the Waqt of Fajr time dot Fajr. Fajr and Waqt time, it is not in string, it is in date time. So I can I get the date? Fossil dot time zone offset hour. We need hour. We need hour first, and then we need minute. And you can see here is the fossil time. But what? Oh, I need to convert it to local. Copy. Here I can use this walk to time, and here I can do this for every walk to time, and for duhar it is dhu, or duhar I think, or quick fix dhuhr. Okay, dhuhr. And for asr time it is asr asr, and for maghrib it is maghrib. Oh, sorry, it is time. If there is any mistake, then it will ask for fix. Okay, and for isha it is is isha. It is extra comma, the error is for extra comma. You know the extra comma, and it will fix the problem of of okay. Now we can see change, see the change, and this, that is how you can build up real time apps. And if you change the date, or you can move to the next, click here and it will print here. Okay, you can change date. I can do, instead of sunrise, you can pass date here and change the date, and that is what I thought, but I did there did instead of these checks I remove these checks and just pass the date here and see. Here is the date, and I will fix this. And if I change the date, to change the date and see the date, also times of other date. Okay, to change the date, what I can do, I can change the date. This date and this prayer time need also need to be changed. So I to change the date, copy, and because I did this is date time dot now. If I need date to date time date of next day, so to next date of next day, when the press this left icon, that day reduced, wrap with result, and it is equal, and in equal on tap I can reduce the date. I can reduce the date, date dot, and date dot. To reduce date, what I need to add or not add, or difference, or before, or what. Okay, da dot add is add duration. This check duration, just add the duration of day one day, duration, or day of -1. This will, what it will do, it will reduce j. Okay, and on tap this right, it will yeah, I will also wrap with equal, and then there is also one tab, and on tab it will increase the day. Oh, sorry, I do the mistake in here. I move Isha, and I just fixing this, and I will back. It is ISH Isha, and the time is here, and move back to the project and do check this button working or not. Okay, so ready, off, so off. We do not did it call set state here. So let us see working or not. Off, not working. Not working, but why? Date dot day. So what I did date dot add, and I think this time is not added to our old date. To add the day, assign the date here is Okay, date is equal to date dot at. So this is adding a time, and now checking. Oh, it is working, but the time is remaining the same. So what I need to do, this pair time is instead of install this pair time here, I can also initialize the pair time here. Okay, so every time the result is built, we the pair time will also rebuild. And check checking the pair time is changing or not. Okay, 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 okay. Changing or not. Not changing. But why? Okay, I just comment it and sorry, just comment it and check. Try another time. Okay, uh, checking. Yes, yes. It is working. You can see this changing the whole time after time. So we can get the time of our next yesterday or tomorrow or yesterday, and it is working well. But what I need to do is now, this is not 12 hour, this is in 24 hour. To convert it to 12 hour, I can, what I can do, I can take this, I need to convert, I need to build a function to convert it to okay. So I build a method here, I the method will return a string, and this string is time presenter. What this time presenter do, and the time presenter return a string. Yeah, sorry, this time presenter return time from where it takes a date time object. After getting date time, what it do, it convert the date time into a string, and it return a string. So how yes, yes. So for doing this string time in string is equal to nothing at first. After getting okay, then date time dot hour. What is hour? Is hour is an integer int. Hour is equal to integer, and then it will return a keyword. It will return hour in of integer. If the hour is hour dot, if the hour is greater than I also need a thing is yeah, boolean is more greater greater than 12 is equal to hour. Dot greater than 12. Our greater than 12 is true. Our is if our is greater than or equal. Okay. There is if greater than 12 and boolean or string prefix. What is the prefix? Prefix is am or pm. Am or pm. Am or pm is according to a condition. The condition is if the hour is greater than 12 or not. If the hour is greater than 12 or not. If the hour is greater than 12, then it is pm. It is pm, and if the hour is less than 11, then it is less than 11, then it is less than or equal am, and then it is am. And what I will do with greater than 12 is greater than 12. If the hour is greater than 12, then the hour will if the hour is greater than 12, it will not return the date time the actual hour. It will return hour which we from where I we will reduce to 12 hour. And the minute is same. Int minute is same, and the minute is jet time dot minute. It is not. And int yes, hour and minute. After giving the hour and minute, we will pass the hour and minute here. Comma minute, hour, minute, and here is the prefix. Yes, we have successfully be no, I didn't use the method here. To use the method, where here is the use the method here. Working time is fuzzer time dot to local, and remove this long time. And yes, it is. So check the is fuzzer time okay or not. And yes, this fuzzer time is working well. And if the length, and I need to add this 0 at the beginning of the 4. To add the 0, I will I can add 0 as suffix our suffix string our suffix or if the hour is yes, our suffix our in string is okay. I think the tutorial is getting long, and you can use our suffix by giving that our dot length is checking the our dot length. Okay, it is you can do it by yourself. Our dot length. Our dot okay, I have the two string dot length, and you can add our suffix yourself for just practice. And I do this as small thing, and after that you can see we have add. There is zero. That should must be a zero of is equal 1 if that is true. Yes, of I need to return the here. Okay, so it must be zero. Yes, I get it, and I will use this method on in every part. Suppose here you can use this method and pass here that time, that local time of duhur, and it will work fine. And the same is for other, and it is only ASR, and same is for others as well. So that is our so this is a technique of building a prayer time and reducing and increasing the date and changing. And if you need to this remains time of Dhuhr, it is also uh, easy, because to get the remains time of this current, um, to get a remains time, you can see the next prayer time dot next, because above the text of remains you can get the prayer time dot next time. This is the prayer time dot next prayer time, and you can see the next prayer time. And then what you the next prayer time is Dhuhr, what is remaining time of Dhuhr, and the remaining time of Dhuhr is current time. Okay, to get the answer, so to get that current time, what you can do for remains, and you can use other function, special functions, such as like this month. You can use map. You can do yourself, try yourself, get involved in it. And the tutorial is getting so long. I think I need to finish here, because if the tutorial becomes so long, no one watch it. So I am ending the tutorial, this part, and I will move to the second part, and I will show you how to build the compass app. And if you need an alarm in your app, prayer time app, I can also show you just how can you turn on alarm and Adhan page, how you can add Adhan in your this Adhan app. I can also build in other part, but this part is ending here. So assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Okay, one thing I didn't show you, because this is Wakto time. What is Wakto time? I'm very really sorry. This Wakto time actually contain, I have make a final icon, and this icon contain an height and width. This icon contain height and width, and then there is a box decoration, and decoration is white, and border radius I given 16, and then under border radius there's SVG picture, and there is an SVG. This icon has an SVG. I have built the SVG of sound, and if the alarm is off, then the sound, I use another icon, SVG icon. And this is Wakto it contains the Wakto name, and this time is a Wakto time. Wakto time contains the Wakto time, Wakto name, Wakto time. And then what I how I build this is, if the size is left, then I inside container build this height. I give the height, width, and box decoration. I give the radius, and inside the container there is a child takes a row, and under the row I have shorted the wizard Wakto time and icon. And after that, I to move the, if the right side is right, then I give a return here. It will return container, and here the container for this the border radius is only top left and top bottom left, and for this left side, the border radius is top right, bottom right. That is wall, and I return row and have size box here. So that is all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.